with the M300, we could have done it. It would have just been a time difference, 25 to 30% longer with the M300. It doesn't have the same flight time as the Wingtra. It's really about coverage. It's just a lot more efficient. Whenever I can run the Wingtra, I run the Wingtra.
The M300 is one of the best copters for just Wingtra gives more productivity in terms of a flight, the whole seamless process. DJI is still trying to figure out.
We started the job with the M300 and it was taking around 14 flights or so with the M300, and that same community we could do in 4 with the Wingtra.
They're both really good systems. I think Wingtra is superior, especially on the software side. DJI, I don't know if they'll ever catch up as far as software. Actually, if you have to free fly it, it's a really user-friendly drone.
So the Wingtra Pilot is awesome, especially on desktop. It's just so much faster and easier to do all of our planning that way. Same price, same level of qualification, but you can get a dramatically larger area quicker than with the M300.
We had the ability at the new company to buy one of the 2 drones, and we bought the Wingtra first. And then eventually we'll get the M300 as well. The Wingtra has to be first.